Hello everyone, welcome back to GK Today. Today I'm Palak Khandelwal. In this video, we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 29th of January 2022. This series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirants. Okay, so now question number 1. As per IMF, India's GDP to be at dash for financial year 2022. So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is 9%. So the International Monetary Fund, also known as IMF, has cut India's economic growth forecast for the current fiscal year 2021 to 2022 to 9% in the latest World Economic Outlook report. Earlierly, this was estimated at 9.5%. Apart from that, the International Monetary Fund has projected the growth forecast for India in financial year 2022 to 2023 at 7.1%, and also International Monetary Fund has projected the global growth rate in year 2022 to 4.4% and in 2023 to 3.8%. Okay, so now question number 2. According to the Brand Finance 2022 Global 500 report, which company has maintained its top position as a most valuable brand in year 2022? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is Apple. So recently Apple has retained its position as the most valuable brand in year 2022 as well as according to the Brand Finance 2022 Global 500 report, the brand valuation of Apple was recorded at USD 355.1 billion in year 2022, which is an increase of 35% from the last year. This is the highest brand value ever recorded in the Brand Finance Global 500 ranking history. Apart from that, the Indian company, that is Tata Group, has emerged as the most valuable brand from India and also in South Asia. It is the only brand from the country in the top 100. The global rank of Tata Group is 78. The brand value of Tata Group is USD 23.9 billion. Okay. So now question number 3. Which organization will be responsible for the development of AI Research SuperCluster? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Meta. So recently the Meta CEO announced that the Meta is developing an artificial intelligence supercomputer. The AI supercomputer is termed as AI Research Supercluster, also known as RSC. It will be used to train machine learning system. It will also term to be the world's fastest supercomputer and is all about to complete in year 2022. It will equip with 16,000 graphic processing unit. Apart from that, it will allow AI researcher of Meta to develop better AI models, work across 100 different languages, analyze text, images and videos and develop various tools. Okay, so now question number 4. Which organization has partnered with City Union Bank to offer CUB Fitness Watch debit card? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Goki. So recently the City Union Bank in partnership with Goki, which is the smart tech enabled preventive healthcare platform, has launched the CUB Fitness Watch debit card. It is powered by the National Payment Corporation of India. The CUB Fitness Watch debit card is the wearable payment solution. It is based on advanced technology which allows user to perform digital transaction in a safe and secure manner. It will also allow the customer to pay by an easy tap and go payment solution. They will have to hold the wristwatch in front of the POS device during the payment, like tapping the card on POS. To pay an amount above Rupees 500, customer need to tap and enter their PIN. The introductory price of the product is 3,499 as compared to the actual cost of rupees 6,499. Apart from that, the wristwatch will allow user to monitor oxygen level, body temperature, heart rate, blood pressure and also 18 exercise modes are available. Also, the free wellness package valid for 3 months to be early buyers is granted. Do remember the headquarters of City Union Bank situated in Kumbhakonam and it is founded in year 1904. Okay, now tell me who is the CEO of City Union Bank. Please write your answer in the comment section. Okay, so now question number 5. What is the India's position in the Transparency International Corruption Perceptions Index for year 2021? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is 85th. So recently the Corruption Perceptions Index for year 2021 was released by Berlin-based non-profit organization Transparency International. In this index, India is ranked at 85th position with CPI score of 40. The index rates 180 countries and territories as per their levels of public sector corruption and provided a scale from 0 to 100. The 0 defines the highest level of corruption and the 100 implies the clean level. The index ranking is based on 13 independent data sources and surveys on the execution process of the business. So basically the first position is commonly shared by the Denmark, Finland and New Zealand with a score of 88. Apart from that, Norway is placed of 4th position with score of 85 and the last ranked position among 180 countries was marked by the South Sudan with a score of 11th position. Okay, so now question number 6. Under section 31 subsection 1 of the Competition Act 2002, the Competition Commission of India allows acquisition of ownership in which company by GlaxoSmithKline Consumer Healthcare Overseas Limited and GlaxoSmithKline Consumer Healthcare UK Trading Limited. So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is GlaxoSmithKline. So recently, the Competition Commission of India approved the acquisition by GlaxoSmith Consumer Healthcare Overseas Limited and GlaxoSmithKline Consumer Healthcare UK Trading Limited of shareholding in GlaxoSmithKline Asia Private Limited under Section 31, Subsection 1 of the Competition Act 2002. The 100% acquisition of the shares was allowed by the Competition Commission of India. Okay, so now question number 7. Which e-commerce platform has signed a memorandum of understanding with the Foundation for Innovation and Technology Transfer to conduct research in the area of social commerce product recommendation to sellers and resellers and the consumer product exploration journey? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Flipkart. So recently, e-commerce giant Flipkart has signed MOU with Foundation for Innovation and Technology Transfer. The Foundation for Innovation and Technology Transfer is an industry interface organization of the IIT Delhi. The MOU is a part of Flipkart's ongoing industry academia collaboration program. Apart from that, as a part of the MOU, both entities will work to perform research in the field of social commerce product recommendation to sellers, resellers, and the consumer products exploration journey. The research grants and marketing insight will be granted to Foundation for Innovation and Technology Transfer by Flipkart. Apart from that, they will conduct seminar, internship opportunity, monitorship opportunity. They will thus make e-commerce accessible to more consumers and sellers. Okay, so now question number 8. Which state will host India's first graphene innovation center? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Kerala. So recently, India's first innovation center for graphene will be developed in Kerala. It will be developed by Digital University Kerala in partnership with the Center for Materials for Electronic Technology, also known as CMET. It will be set up in Kerala. The fund of rupees 86.41 crores will be utilized for the same. It will be India's first graphene research and development incubation center. The industrial partner will be Tata Steel Limited. The approval for the same was granted by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Apart from that, the center will give chance to students, researchers, established industries and various startups to innovate and develop an environment for innovative graphene-based product development. Graphene is having extraordinary electric and electronic properties and will help to replace and cut down the cost of OLED screens in the smartphone. It possesses good chemical stability, high electrical connectivity and a large surface area, and it is transparent and lightweight. Okay, so now question number 9. The World Bank has approved USD 125 million loan to which country for the purpose of supporting financial access to the social protection service for the poor and vulnerable in the country? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is West Bengal. So recently the World Bank has approved a loan of USD 125 million to the West Bengal government. The government was approved to support financially towards social protection service access to the poor and vulnerable section of the society in the state. The loan was sanctioned under the WB Building State Capabilities for Inclusive Social Protection Operation. This operation helps in exchange access to the social assistance and target-based service to the poor and vulnerable section of the society in the state. Apart from that, various services like medical help by telemedicine, support elders and differently able people, digital payment support and access to the various public service will be granted under the operation using the funds. So basically, around 400 programs will be executed by the state government under this operation. Okay, do you remember the CM of West Bengal is Mamata Banerjee? Okay, now tell me who is the governor of the West Bengal. Please write your answer in the comment section. Okay, so now last question. Which organization just released the Om RT-PCR diagnostic kit? So the correct answer of this question is CSIR, Central Drug Research Institute. So recently the CSIR, Central Drug Research Institute, developed an ingenious RT-PCR diagnostic kit named as OM. It will use for testing the Omicron variant of the coronavirus. It will generate a result in 2 hours. Thus, it offers quick and cost-efficient detection of the Omicron variant. It costs around rupees 150. It can also be used to test other emerging variant of COVID infection and other respiratory infection. It will be launched by the mid-February once it gets approved by the Indian Council of Medical Research, also known as ICMR. Apart from that, it is made by the team of 3 scientists, which was headed by the senior principal scientist, who is Atul Goyal, and 4 research scholars. Okay? So that's it for today. I hope you liked this session. These were the important news and events for today which are related to the business, economics and financial sector. We meet again with some more important current affairs. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching and please do not forget to subscribe GK Today.